If you're updating your laundry room or it's been years since you last replaced your washer and dryer, now might be the perfect time for a complete upgrade. Opting for a washer and dryer set not only creates a cohesive look in your space but also ensures that the machines are designed to work seamlessly together with complementary cycles for optimal performance. To help you pick the perfect pair, we've rounded up the top 6 washer and dryer sets, highlighting their standout features and the key factors to consider. You'll find links to all the products mentioned in the video in the description below. So let's start. Number 6 on the list is the Maytag MED6500MBK Washer and MED6500MBK Dryer. What makes this Maytag washer and dryer combo ideal for tackling textiles covered in pet hair? The Pet Pro Filter feature. Based on customer reviews, if your goal is to eliminate pet hair from clothes, couch covers, and blankets, this set is exactly what you need. However, if you're not a pet owner, you might want to skip this one, as feedback from non-pet households was less enthusiastic. It's akin to buying a steak and then griping about the lack of salad. It's all about managing expectations. In this case, the steak is the clumps of pet hair expertly trapped by the robust link-catching system. Both the washer and dryer are outfitted with specific pet hair removal technology, which is hard to find in other appliances. They also include standard features like wrinkle-free and heavy-duty cycles. That said, you won't find high-tech extras like Wi-Fi connectivity or touchscreen controls here. The Maytag MED6500MBK and MED6500MBK focus solely on meeting the specific need of removing pet hair, and they do it exceptionally well. It's a product designed with purpose. Find the problem, solve it, and leave no pet hair behind. Number 5 is the Electrolux Smartboost front-load washer and stackable electric dryer. After putting this pair to the test, it emerged as the top choice for front-loading washer and dryer sets. The intuitive controls stood out with a clear display panel that keeps settings like temperature, soil level, and spin speed easily visible. One feature that caught our attention was the oversuds protection system. Though we never had to use it, every load came out clean without any detergent residue. Compared to our previous appliance, this set excelled in drying efficiency, thanks to its auto-sensing feature, which adjusts the drying time based on moisture levels. For heavier loads like towels or cloth diapers, the dryer occasionally needed a bit of extra time, but the results were worth it. Parents of cloth diapered kids will appreciate how spotless and fresh those loads turned out. There's also a 15-minute quick wash cycle that's perfect for handling surprise messes like spit-ups. Our old set was white, so we opted for the sleek gray finish this time. While we liked the aesthetic, we did notice some scratches on the tops from placing laundry baskets there, a minor drawback. Unlike some newer models, these machines don't offer app connectivity or a push-button interface. Instead, they use a digital display paired with easy-to-turn knobs, which we found simple and efficient. We also appreciated the ability to adjust settings to choose the most eco-friendly options for each load. Though they aren't whisper quiet, the noise levels weren't destructive and are unlikely to disturb anyone in the house. The washer and dryer chime when the cycle ends, and while the tune repeats until the door is opened, there's an option to disable it if that gets annoying. Overall, this Electrolux set balances function and simplicity with reliable performance. Number 4 is the LG WashTower Laundry Center, a popular choice for apartments and condos. Unlike traditional stackable washer and dryer sets, which are two separate appliances that can also be placed side by side, a laundry center is a single unit. While most laundry centers stick to basic functionality, the LG WKX200 WashTower breaks the mold with its sleek design and innovative features. This modern tower includes a front-loading washer and dryer, a notable upgrade from the typical top-loading washers often found in laundry centers. The washer boasts an impressive 4.5 cubic feet of drum space, comparable to many standalone washers, while the dryer offers a roomy 7.4 cubic feet. Together, they provide ample capacity for most households. You'll find a variety of cycles and options, but the standout feature is the AI fabric sensors. These sensors automatically detect load size and fabric type to choose the most appropriate cycle, taking the guesswork out of laundry. One of the smartest design elements of the LG WashTower is its centralized control panel. In many laundry centers or stackable units, the dryer controls can be hard to reach, but LG has placed the controls for both the washer and dryer in the center of the tower, right at countertop height. This makes it easy to access and adjust settings without straining. The LG WashTower reimagines the traditional laundry center, combining style, convenience, and advanced technology in a single appliance. Number 3 on the list is the GE UltraFresh Vent System Washer and Electric Dryer, a pair that's as stylish as it is functional. With its striking sapphire blue finish, this set is turning heads and solving one of the biggest frustrations of front-loading washers: musty odors. GE's UltraFresh venting system tackles this issue by automatically drying the drum and door seal after each wash. The machine pulls in fresh air and spins the drum periodically during a special venting cycle to keep the interior dry and fresh. While this process takes up to 8 hours, it's perfect for running overnight or after your last load of the day. In testing, the results were impressive. The washer's interior was completely dry. GE has gone a step further by treating key components, such as the dispenser drawer and door gasket, with microben technology to resist mold and bacteria buildup. But this set offers more than just odor control. Both the washer and dryer excelled in performance and ease of use during tests. The washer's smart dispense system can hold an entire 50-ounce bottle of detergent, dispensing the precise amount needed for each cycle. No more messy measuring. The wide opening of the dispenser also makes refilling quick and tidy. Other standout features include steam cycles for sanitizing, Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control via an app, and a one-step wash and dry cycle that's ideal for small loads like a soccer uniform. This feature, combined with a quick wash cycle that removes a stubborn spaghetti sauce stain in just 20 minutes, make the washer a standout in tests. The extra-large capacity dryer is equally impressive, offering fast yet gentle drying cycles, a steam function for wrinkle removal, and Wi-Fi sync with the washer to automatically set the right drying cycle for your load. We also love the convenience of voice control compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Easy to use and packed with features, this GE pair is a laundry game changer. Number 2 is the Samsung Extra Large Capacity Smart Front Load Washer and Dryer, a perfect solution for anyone tired of splitting laundry into multiple loads or running the dryer twice because it was overloaded. With impressive 5.0 cubic feet of space in the washer and 7.4 cubic feet in the dryer, this pair handles large loads effortlessly and looks sleek while doing it. The washer features 12 preset cycles and 5 spin speeds, with steam cleaning technology that tackles stains without the need for pre-treatment. For those in a hurry, the super speed option can wash a full load in just 28 minutes. Thanks to its vibration reduction technology, the washer runs quietly, even at higher spin speeds, making it a standout for noise-sensitive households. The dryer complements the washer with its ultra-large capacity and 10 preset cycles, including a sanitizing cycle to remove allergens and a multi-steam option to freshen up lightly worn clothes. The dryer also uses sensor drying, so you can trust it to stop when your clothes are perfectly dry, avoiding over-drying or damp spots. If you prefer a gas-powered option, there's a version available for an additional $100. This set is also Wi-Fi enabled, so you'll receive alerts on your phone when a cycle is finished, and you can troubleshoot issues remotely with Samsung's Smart Care feature. With its spacious design, high-performance features, and smart technology, this washer and dryer set is built to handle busy laundry days with ease. Number 1 is the LG WM4008 washer and LG DLEX4000 dryer, a powerhouse duo that impressed us with both cleaning performance and fabric care. The WM4008 proved to be one of the best washers in tests, removing various stains with ease while being gentle on delicate fabrics. It also outperformed most high-efficiency washers by completing loads significantly faster. With an extensive range of wash settings, including a pre-wash option for tough stains, super hot temperature cycles, and extra rinse options, it's equipped to handle just about any laundry challenge. Like most front-load washers, the WM4000H offers a spacious drum, operates quietly, and is highly efficient in water and energy use. A standout feature is its door prop, which helps prevent the mildew smell that often plagues front loaders. The washer is Wi-Fi connected, providing handy features like end-of-cycle notifications, maintenance alerts, remote start, and downloadable wash cycles. The LG Think app stood out as one of the most user-friendly and feature-rich among the models that tested. Reliability can be tricky to gauge, but LG front-load washers have consistently had some of the lowest repair rates among mainstream brands in recent years. However, like most modern appliances, they're unlikely to last as long as the old-school Maytags your parents might have had. The matching LG DLEX4000 dryer is just as impressive, drying clothes faster than most models that tested. It's available in both electric and gas versions and is stackable with any 27-inch LG washer or dryer, whether new or old. If you're looking to save a bit, LG offers a similar washer, the WM3600H, which skips some advanced features but comes at a lower price. The only real drawbacks: the control panels can be difficult to read in low light, and LG's customer service can be frustrating to deal with, especially for warranty repairs. Despite this, the WM4000A washer and DLEX4000 dryer deliver exceptional performance, making them a top pick for any household. There you have it, A roundup of top-performing washers and dryers designed to meet specific needs, from tackling pet hair to handling large loads with ease. Whatever your laundry priorities, there's a perfect match waiting to make your chores a little easier.